Yeah, what's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a Dodge Magnum. It's probably about the same for most years. Basically, all you got to do is when you come into the car, when you pop the hood, just look right up underneath there. It's pretty simple. You'll see it right there. That's actually a headlight. So all you got to do is just spin it. And I'm actually on the passenger side. So all I gotta do is spin that one. This one you kind of want to spin it, I guess you want to kind of spin up going toward the passenger side. So you spin this one actually toward the passenger side itself. It'll spin and come right out. But you really don't have to remove anything other than that piece right there to get to. There's no dust cover, nothing like that. So once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Dodge Magnum. 2009, probably 2010. 08. And all right, thanks.